Alright, sure live. I'm live. Domar Akala Mix is on my vlog. By the way, I am Domar Akala and I am a Filipino vlogger. Alright mga ka-trigs, for this video, I'm going to reaction one of the most beautiful song of from the Northeast India mga ka-trigs. It was requested again from Kili Manikya. Alright, shout out to you, my friend Kili Manikya. You're always giving me a challenge to do the reaction request, and this is it for you again. Yes, Dima Kaopili Saya. Alright mga ka-trigs. So yeah, I watching this yesterday and I must enjoy watching this. Alright, before we proceed our new uploaded videos, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like and share. Press the button bell out there to notify our new uploaded videos. When we coming back, alright, we'll do the reaction video.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Alright, it's back again to Domar Akala Mix YouTube channel, and here we go to the reaction video. There works. Alright, Dima Kaupili Saya. I love it. Wow, beautiful. Love it.
Vai mo dinghe, jamo bara taurai ni krang dinghe, tomo bara nule kumali ni bahai dinghe, gothe mo bara chongle ni pali dinghe.
बेचता उससे जलाता किससे तो उसको कहता जस्ट कहेगा अनहोता किससे आता रंजहा आता प्रोहा नोंको शमो बोयो नंगे नो सफाई दे
Oh, na shau to di guisu di shalo, de ma ko file shaya, unni le chonya, de ma ko file shaya, unni le chonya, o de ma ko file shaya. Potong kon mobile no muani angrina Ranzang ni dong dena Munda ni dong dena Je khatu mo sadi dema dom tu ye phai tongo
पता कली से रुंगराया रे जाने से साको खाफू खड़ा से पुंगराया सिमो से सैती को सुले बे रुंगराया आजुआनी साको दफुंग से रुंगराया नोतानी से साको
Oh na shau dong di buisu di shalo De ma ko file shaya Unni le chonya De ma ko file shaya Unni le chonya O de ma ko file shaya Unni le chonya O de ma ko file shaya Unni le chonya
I like the hand gesture like this. My God. Wow. It was very beautiful dance step. Alright.
या गोथाली पिया ग्रया लकुई ने को साको तो ग्रेता शय नाय म बुझाया सोनी को साको बेर में पनी से जुग्रया माला ने को साको हम सब दिला मम्मी यारी दै सोया तुको
Oh, na shau to di buisu di shalo De ma ko file shaya Unni le chonya De ma ko file shaya Unni le chonya O de ma ko file shaya Unni le chonya O de ma ko file shaya Tomo bara nungle chuhani vai mo dinghe Jamo bara tauraini krang dinghe Tomo bara nungle kumali ni bahai dinghe Gothemo bara chongleng ni pali dinghe
पिछाता हंसते जलाता खींचते तो उसको करका अनुता खींचते आता रंजहा आता प्रोहा नुको शमो बुयो नगे नो सफाइदे
Oh nai shao tong de bui su ni shalo
आता गोफिता शादे हेलेता चंदे आता गोफिता शादे हेलेता चंदे
De ma go file shaya Ni le chongya O de ma go file shaya Ni le chongya
Right? Wow. All I can see is a very beautiful song. All right. The concept of the background while they are already at the props. Yes, I love it. I like it very much. Yes, also the dance step and the song, but yes, but I think it is wow, beautiful woman. You are my beloved one. All right. When the man can see or can sue the woman out there, and you you are beautiful. All right, my god, you are beautiful in my mind, in my heart. All right, all of you was very beautiful. You have there is like a princess woman, but wow, love it, this music video. And yes, mga ka-churgs, even though I do not understand what telling this music video, but the music video was full package already. It was very entertaining music video for me, and it was wow, I love it very much. So this is me again, Tomar Kala the Mix, and thank you again Kini Manikia to do request again for me, and I hope more requested from you that I could do. But thank you for everything, and again, this is me, Tomar Kala Mix. Don't forget it to subscribe our YouTube channel, like and share, press the button bell out there to notify our new uploaded videos, and that's it.